Okay, the first thing we're going to do is remove the collector from the top of the can. If it has thumb screws, loosen those up, set that aside. And then we're going to notice that there's two Phillips head screws on the bottom of the can. With a medium size Phillips head screwdriver, remove those screws, set those aside. And then we're going to locate the terminal block on top of the assembly with a small flat blade screwdriver. Loosen those two screws and remove the wires. This will enable us to remove the assembly. Just pull that out, and then open up your box containing your new assembly. Carefully remove the assembly. Make sure nothing's bent or broken. The tipping bucket should move freely back and forth. Tip back and forth. Set that down where your other old one was. Make sure that the terminal block is closest to the bracket there where your wires come in. And we're going to replace the Phillips head screws in the bottom. Reach in with one hand to hold the assembly and line up the holes. Snug those down and get your screwdriver and ensure that those are properly tight. Then on the inside, replace your two wires, tighten the screws in your terminal block, and replace the rubber cover. Ensure that there's a green bubble level inside. Make sure, most importantly, make sure that that bubble is centered, and replace your collector. Tighten the thumb screws if they're on your collector, and that's it. Thank you.